How deep can you dive into insurance metrics? We believe that whatever you had in mind, the reality is that you can go even further. You just need to bring together some key ingredients, a complex data set that you are now probably tackling with spreadsheets, the most powerful analytics solution on the market, and a skilled partner with deep industry knowledge. Today, we'll be looking at a set of plug-and-play insurance dashboards built in Power BI that are ready to be placed on top of a standard data lake delivered on the cloud with Microsoft Azure. Let's start our data discovery journey with the General Insurance Dashboard. Here, you can track vital, insurance-specific KPIs in an intuitive, visual manner. Loss ratio, retention rate, benchmark gross written premium statistics completed by a breakdown by line of business, along with yearly variances, total exposure, as well as essential metrics related to policies and claims. You can easily apply filters to the entire view from the top section, but also drill down intuitively by interacting with the charts directly. More specific views on your dataset will also be available in the Sales and Claims dashboards. When looking at sales, you will see a KPI summary and detailed views on submission conversions, renewal rate, evolution of premiums, along with breakdown and variance by sales channel. You can expect the same level of insight on the claims dashboard. Again, you start with the KPI summary that is complemented by detailed information on the nature of claims with the help of a line of business breakdown, but also evolution charts for loss ratio, frequency, and severity, as well as variance, in this case in a location-based configuration. Of course, all dashboards have the same filtering and drill-down capabilities, thus maximizing the potential of your data discovery journey. Imagine you can start using the dashboards right away, or even adapt and configure them to your specific needs. We're here to help you monetize your data to accelerate value drivers for growth. At Softelligence, we are digital agents for transformation acceleration, or DATA for short. This framework and philosophy of business enables us to deliver data visualization, advanced analytics, machine learning, and many more cutting-edge examples of technology in a way that genuinely accelerates digital transformation. Dive deeper into your data with the help of Power BI and Softelligence DATA.